learners, you are welcome to today's lesson. I believe you enjoyed our previous lesson that was counting forward and backwards in ones. In today's lesson, we are going to look at skip counting by twos. So we are going to look at skip counting. When we talk about skip counting, it means we are jumping a number to the next number, or we are leaving a number to count from the next number. And we are going to do that by twos. Okay? In the first one, we did it by ones. Now we are going to what? Two. So it means we are going to skip a number and move on to the next number. Okay, now I have some numbers here. To help us with skip counting, we have numbers 1 to what? 20. Now, in skip counting by twos, I told you we are going to skip a number. So here we are going to skip what number? 1. We are skipping 1. It means we are leaving 1 behind. Okay? Then we choose what? 2. To move on to the next number, we have to skip this one again and move on to what? 4. To move on, we skip 5 and choose what? 6. We skip 7, choose 8. We skip 9, 10. Which number are we skipping again? 11. Good. And choose what? 12. We skip 13 and choose what? 14. We skip 15 and choose 16. We skip 17 and choose what? 18. Skip 19 and choose 20. So here, skip counting by twos, we are going to have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20, and it continues. Now, to help you get skip count numbers in twos, you are to add 2 to the number you will be given. Okay? To help you get skip count numbers in twos, you are to add 2 to the number you will be given. So add 2 in skip counting by twos. So in this example, we have the number 2. To get the next skip count number, I have to add 2 to it. So I have what? 2 plus 2 to give me what? 4. So I have my 4 here. To get the next skip count number, I have to add what? 2 again to get what? 6. Remember, in counting forward by ones, we were adding 1. So in counting forward by twos, we are adding what? 2. Okay? Okay, now let's look at this example. Let's complete the following skip counting by twos forward. Now, we have 2 here. So to get the next skip count number, what do? You add 2. So I have 2. You put the 2 in your head and then add 2. So we have 2, 3, 4. So the next skip count number is what? 4. To get the next skip count number again, you have to add 2 to 4. So you put the bigger number in your head. So we have 4 in our minds, and then we are adding 2, which is what? 5 and 6. That is what we have here. And then to get this one again, what do? You put 6 in your head. Remember, we are adding 2, so always have 2. So we put 6 in our minds, then we have what? 7, 8. So this one will be what? 8. To get the next one, you add 2 again. This one gave us 10. To get this one, we have to put 10 in our minds. So we have 10, 11, 12. Very good. And then when you add 2 to 12, you get what? 14. The same thing here. This is 16. So I have 16 in my mind. Then I add 2. So 16, 17, 18. Very good. And remember, we are skipping numbers. You see, when you add 2, you've left a number before you are moving on. Okay, 18 plus 2 will give me 20. Okay, so 20 here, I put the 20 in my mind and then I add 2. So 20, 21, 22. Very good. Then if you add 2, you get what? 24. Now 24 in my mind, then I add 2. 24, 25, 26. Good. Then you add 2, you get 28. I put 28 in my mind, 29, 30. This will help you to always get the next skip count number. And remember, skip counting forward by twos, we are adding what? 2. Very good. I hope you understood this lesson. I'm going to give you an exercise. Write it nicely and send it to me on my WhatsApp line. Enjoy your lesson. Bye bye.